Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to add text behind subject in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, pick a text tool and type anything that you want. I'm typing keep smiling and make the text to white. Make it bigger. Now make the text center align and I want to make it more bigger and hit OK. Now turn off the text layer. Make a selection of the man and press Ctrl J to duplicate. And now press Ctrl T. Now place the man layer above the text layer. Now make it more eye-catching. Go to blending options. Add a drop shadow. And done. And see how we can easily add text behind subject. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.